Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. Now, to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, which you can, so right here like so. Now once you see your toggles right here, you want to swipe down on them, just not on the actual brightness like I did. So there we go. And as you can see, this extends the list of toggles. Now here we're looking for the hotspot toggle, which if it's not visible on the first page, you might need to swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Now for me, that's where the hotspot is located. Once you see this toggle, you want to hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Here, select hotspot settings. And by default, the phone luckily selects automatically the password, which is randomly generated. So without navigating here, you actually have no way of knowing what it is set to. I do recommend getting rid of it and setting up your own new password, as it is randomly generated, so it's not as easy to remember. Now your password will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter. And then below that we have a couple additional options like use Wi-Fi 6, hide hotspot, I don't recommend, AP band, which is set to 2.4 for some reason. Actually, no, that's good. I thought that Wi-Fi 6 was enabled, but yeah, you can change the AP band right here. And we also have the security. I recommend keeping that as it is. Now when it comes down to the AP band, you could change this. 5 GHz will give you a better result, as in faster and more stable connection, but not every device will support it. So older devices will not support that, as it's a newer technology, let's call it that. So if you encounter that your device doesn't support it, which you can assume it won't support it if you have your hotspot enabled and set the device just does not see your hotspot by the name that is listed right here. In this case, it does not support it, and all you need to do to solve this problem is navigate here, AP band, and make sure it's selected at 2.4. Now, once everything is set, make sure you select the Save button to save the changes, and now find the toggle and simply tap on it. And you can now connect to your hotspot. Now once you're done using it, you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. Hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so if you're not using it, there's no reason for it to be running in the background. And like I said, you can just turn it off by tapping on the toggle once more. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.